the United States throughout the information that you gave us, which was very good background. If you had to summarize why the United States has been so involved, why would that be?
That's a very interesting question. Why? There are many reasons for that. One of the first reasons is to perpetuate white supremacy, because the international community until now, from 1804 until 2021, they never forgive and won't never forgive Haiti for showing the way to the oppressed of the global south. Because the Haitian Revolution, Cathy, was not something that was made just for the liberation of black people. It was for the liberation of every person oppressed whatsoever. So, and the system, the racialized capitalist system we are dealing with cannot move, cannot develop without racism. So that is something that is symbolically, they want to punish Haiti, continue to punish in Haiti in order to send a message to all black people all around the world. Oh, if you want to fight back, if you want to challenge us, look what happened to Haiti. Do you want to become Haiti? This is like a kind of symbolic lesson the international community want to send to every person, black, white, whatsoever, every oppressed who want to stand for justice, for racial justice. This is something that is important. There is also geopolitical reason. Geopolitical reason, if you take the map of Haiti, Haiti is occupy a very strategic position between Cuba and Venezuela, close to Panama. So there is a very important geopolitical. If they control Haiti, controlling Haiti in terms of geopolitics means a lot for the international community and for the U.S. in his continuing struggle against Russia, etc. Haiti is located very close to Cuba. And remember, on January 1st, the first day of the Haitian Revolution, but in 1959, happened the Cuban Revolution. So Haiti occupies a very strategic position. This is the second idea that can explain the interest of the U.S. in Haiti. The third idea has to deal also with the resources of Haiti, because it's important also in the media to use that perspective of deconstruction of some, hegemonic narrative, because the hegemonic narrative has always been Haiti is the poorest country of the Western Hemisphere. But this is a big lie, because if Haiti was the poorest country in the Western Hemisphere, how come the U.S. has the fourth most important embassies of the U.S. is located in Haiti? Why is the interest of you to invest that bunch of money to build an embassy in the poorest country? It's because Haiti is not poor. Haiti has a bunch of resources, natural resources. According to many research, Haiti has more petroleum reserve more than Venezuela. Haiti has uranium. Haiti has natural gas. Haiti has gold. So it's the common strategy that imperialism has been using. When you discover a country has that much resources, the idea is to put a U.S. puppet, imperial puppet, in order that you can negotiate better or took those resources. Because if you allow Haitian people to manage their own country, to have sovereignty, if you allow, for instance, people with strong mindset, people with competency to be the leader of the country, so the condition will be different. And the imperial power do not want that. They just want to take resources from those places. So the strategy has always been the same as they did in Africa, for instance, in Congo. So, for instance, is the destabilization, to put chaos so that can be easier for them to take those resources. Right? Though I think we have to combine those different factors in order to understand what is the rationale of the international community under the leadership of the US to treat Haitian, to adopt such noxious foreign policy toward Haiti.